Okay, everybody, we're back for the second half of our luncheon. It is called 7-Up Chicken and Grits. And this is how we make it. Your grits are made as per the instructions on the grits. You know how to make grits. To the grits, we have added smoked Gruyere cheese. We've added white and yellow cheddar. We've added butter, a little heavy cream, and a little bit of parsley, salt, a little pepper, and that is what is in the grits. You cook them to order as per the ingredients. And this is how you make your 7-Up chicken that goes with the grits. You take a cup of flour, regular all-purpose flour. For this particular recipe, you will still get a really nice crunch, and this works better with the grits. So you do not have to add cornstarch because your 7-Up has the soda in it. It also gives the chicken a little bit of sweetness, a little tang of lemon, and I think you'll really love it. So the ingredients are really simple. A cup of all-purpose flour. To that, I add a little bit of adobo to the flour. I add a little bit of Slap Your Mama to the flour. And a little salt. That's all I add. Can't get any simpler than that. Use the dry ingredients, spices that you like. If you like red pepper, put it in. Whatever spices you like, put that in and make it your own. The kicker is the 7-Up. So then we have got a cup of 7-Up. You pour that in your batter until you get it like a runny pancake batter. You'll use more or less depending on what you need, but you will not need. I used a can of 7-Up, so you won't need the whole can unless you're making a lot. If you're making a lot, of course. But you just want a consistency, not real. You want it kind of on the more liquid side, because your coating will still be crunchy, but it won't be a thick coating. It will be more of a light tempura type coating. That's what you want on this. So it's going to look like that. It's got a little thickness, and that's fine. Also, it will, of course, thicken up slightly as it sets. Okay, so you've got it. That's it. That's all. So then you take your chicken pieces that you've washed and you have seasoned, and you've got them ready to go into your hot oil. You take your chicken pieces, you put them in you dip them in here. Shake off the excess, put them in your hot grease. When you get them, when they're nice and brown, a beautiful golden brown, you're going to take them out. You're going to take them out, and they're going to look like that. They're going to look like that. So, let me turn the fire out. So I've already made a dish up for you so that you can see the finished product. And let's get that out. this is how it looks. We're going to put these last 2 pieces of chicken on it. Now the last step that you do, and it smells wonderful. It smells great. You're going to love it. The last step that you're going to do is I made a mixture of butter, a little bit of hot sauce, and a dash of paprika, smoked paprika. And you're just going to drizzle it all over your grits, your chicken. And this is whoops. Let's put this back on there. Get back on there. Quit being difficult. That is 7-Up chicken, 7-Up batter, fried chicken on cheese grits and a little bacon bits on top, a little bacon, some parsley, some cheddar, white and yellow cheese. All that is a garnish as well as in the grits. So bon appetit, 7-Up batter fried chicken and grits. Enjoy. Bon appetit.